In Macromedia Flash, you can display a grid on your stage area, and this is going to help you line up different objects on that stage. So I'd like to even out the spacing between each of my rectangles. To do this, I'm going to view my grid by going to the View menu, down to Grid, and then select Show Grid. Now I have a gray grid that is displayed across my entire stage. I can then select and move my objects so that they line up a little bit better. There are also a couple of properties that you can change for your grid. I'm going to switch to another project, and I already have the grid displayed in this project, but as you can see, the background to my stage matches the color of my grid, so the grid is almost impossible to see. To change that grid color, I'll go back to View, down to Grid, and this time select Edit Grid. The first option I can change is the color, so I'm going to choose a color that shows up a little better on my particular background. I can also check on to show the grid from this menu, as well as snap my objects to the grid, changing the pixel width and height of each grid square, so I'll change that to 20. And then also I can set the snap accuracy. I'll leave these settings and click OK. And now my grid squares are just a hair bigger, and also of course I've changed the color.